Welcome back to another quick guide today. We'll walk you through how to make digital journal on Android. Here are the easy steps to make a digital journal on your Android phone. First, choose a journal app. Open Google Play Store app, download a journaling app like Journey, Dailyo, Jaro, or Google Keep from the Play Store. So I'll choose Journey app. I'll tap on install. Once done, tap on open. Open the app and create an account. Tap on login, then tap sign up, or if needed. Some apps let you use Google or email to register. Start a new entry. Tap the plus or new entry button to begin writing. Add a title and date. Give your journal entry a title. Most apps automatically add the current date and time. Write your thoughts. Type in your feelings, experience, or reflections. You can write as much as little as you want. Insert photos or medias. Tap the tools in the lower panel to add pictures or location to your entry. Use tags or categories. Go to tags by tapping on it. Organize your entries by adding tags like travel, goals, dreams, etc. to easily find them later. Then hit the plus button. Then hit OK. Auto mode or emoji. Now tap on the emoji icon. Some apps like Journey let you choose your mode or an emoji to match how you're feeling or sentiment. Choose the one that matches your sentiment, then hit OK. Save or sync your entry. Tap Save, Done, or Checkmark. Enable Cloud Sync by tapping on your profile icon, then hit Cloud Services. Here, you can add cloud services, for example, Google Drive or Dropbox for backup. Customize appearance. Tap on your profile again, then go to Settings, General, to change themes, wallpaper, etc. to make it aesthetically pleasing. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.